Today we're making poppy seed rolls with raisins, which is optional of course, but I love them. You need 500 gram flour, a package of dry yeast, 50 gram sugar, 1 package of vanilla sugar, 2 eggs, 125 milliliters warm milk, 100 gram molten butter, let it cool down a bit, and a pinch of salt. Put the dry yeast into the flour, add the sugar, vanilla sugar, milk, a pinch of salt, the eggs, the molten butter, and knead it until you have a smooth dough. I like to use my hands, but you can of course use a kitchen machine if you want to. I put a bit of flour over the dough and close the bowl with a wet cloth and let it rest in a warm place for about an hour. In the meantime, you can get the filling ready. You need 100 milliliters milk, 160 gram poppy paste or ground poppy seeds, 70 gram sugar, 40 gram butter, a few drops of almond extract, raisins, and 1 teaspoon of starch, which you dissolve in a bit of water. Bring your milk to boil and add your poppy paste mix into it and add the starch, then let it cook for a bit on medium heat. Turn the stove off and add the sugar, butter, and a few drops of almond extract. Mix until it is one even mass. Now that the dough has risen, get it on a lightly floured surface and roll it out into a rectangle shape. The longer it is, the smaller the rolls will be. As I wanted many small ones, I made it this ratio. Then spread the filling equally. As it is pretty soft, so is the dough, it can get kind of messy. Spread your raisins if you want them and roll the dough up carefully. Cut the rolls at about 2 centimeters, 1 inch thickness, and put them on a baking pan of your choice. Bake at about 180 degrees Celsius until they become golden brown in color. It usually takes 20 minutes to get the crispy color. While the rolls are baking, I prepare an optional glaze. As I made here a huge load of rolls, more than 60 individual pieces mind you, I used quite a bit of powdered sugar and lemon juice. I wanted to have the glaze kind of runny so that the glaze wouldn't be too thick on the rolls. I made these because I missed the Mohnschnecken from Germany, and I have to say, even if they don't look the part, I used brown poppy paste, not blue, they don't have it here. They do taste the part, and my mom always requests me to make them.
All the information for this recipe is in the description below, along with different types of measurements and other information. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe.